Hi, I'm Nelson from Dundas. This video tutorial is just one of the videos that we'll be producing to help you understand the features and benefits of Dundas Dashboard. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a standard dimension with multiple levels. In the last tutorial, we created a standard one-level dimension that represented the products in the Synatica product line. Let's revisit that dimension by going to Dimensions in the sidebar, expanding the tutorial folder, and double-clicking on the 3.01 standard one-level dimension. Let's go over to the Preview tab and have a look by expanding all. You can see that we have 4 products or SKUs. 2 of these products are actually audio software products, and the other 2 are video software products. It may be useful to group these 4 products into audio and video categories or product groups. Let's have a look at one of the virtual tables in the Synatica Dashboards project by expanding the global folder and double-clicking on Product Group. Let's preview this virtual table and generate the query. You can see here that the 4 products or SKUs are grouped into 2 different product groups, audio and video, each represented by a corresponding product group ID. In this video, we're going to create an additional level in the product dimension called Product Group. This multiple level dimension would be useful if we wanted our dashboard to compare the contribution percentages of our audio and video software categories, and then allow users to drill down further to see the revenue breakdown within each of these product groups. Let's start off by creating a new dimension in the tutorial folder called 3.02 Standard Multiple Levels. We're going to use the product group virtual table that we just looked at for this dimension. We can now select columns to use for this dimension level. For multiple level dimensions, we always start at the top of the dimension hierarchy, and the top of the dimension hierarchy is always the broadest. The broadest method of classifying our products in this example is product group. So let's select the columns that we're going to use for the product group level. We're going to need the product group ID, so let's pull that in first, along with its respective product group name. So let's also select product group description and then click on Finish to close the wizard. Let's rename this level and call it product group. We can see from these 2 columns that it's using product group ID as the key for this level, which is correct. We want the dashboard to show the product group description instead of the ID, so we're going to use that as the display name column. Let's use by name as the sort order for this example, so the product groups appear in alphabetical order. Let's save this dimension so we don't lose our work, and then click on the Preview tab to take a look. If you expand all, you can see now that we have 2 product groups, audio and video. Now that we've finished creating the product group dimension level, we can go ahead with creating the next level down the dimension hierarchy, which is the product level. Let's go to the sidebar and click on Add Level. We're going to use the same virtual table that we used before, which is Product Group. Now we're going to select which columns we want to use for this dimension level, which is the product level. So we're going to select Product ID as the key and SKU as the name. At this stage, we also have to find a way to associate this dimension level with its parent dimension level, which is Product Group. To do that, we're also going to bring in the Product Group ID and then click on Finish. Let's rename this level and call it Product. Now the key for this level is not going to be the Product Group ID, but the Product ID itself. The Related Columns grid automatically lists the pairs of related columns from the current level, which is Product, and its parent level, which is Product Group. You can also define these manually. The Display Name column is going to be SKU for this example, and we're going to leave the sort order as by name. Let's preview this dimension by going to the Preview tab. If we expand all, you can now see that the audio and video product groups can also be expanded. If you expand audio, you can now find the 2 audio SKUs grouped within it. And if you expand video, you'll also find the 2 video SKUs. Let's check this dimension in, and there we have it, a standard multiple level dimension that allows us to summarize our products by their corresponding product groups. That concludes this video tutorial. Don't forget to click on this screen's links to access additional tutorials, our online demo, or to download a full evaluation copy, all available on www.dundas.com. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy Dundas Dashboard.